Welcome to Torrequebrada. This is a very nice neighborhood with easy access to everything. We are now 400 meters from the beach, where we find good restaurants such as Trocadero and Yucas. We have 350 meters to the supermarket, and just behind me we have the Torrequebrada golf course. And also, just outside the community, we have a small neighborhood restaurant. So this is Hacienda del Golf. This is a community built in 1989, consisting of apartments and townhouses. And within the gated community, we have parking spaces for all the residents and a communal pool area, and also some gardens and places to hang out. So we are going into this lovely apartment, so let's have a look. Hello and welcome inside. Here we have the living area with the dining place. We have an open floor plan to the kitchen, fully equipped with all the appliances. And this is a very nice room because we have lights coming in from two sides of the room. And over here we have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. And outside, the most important, the terrace. Directly from the living room, we enter to this cozy dining area. Further on, we have a pergola with roof and awnings on both sides, which we can lower down. And the terrace extends on this east-facing side, which offers very good storage spaces. And on this side, we have the big south-facing garden with sun all day long. So if you're looking for 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, big terraces, a lot of sun in a good neighborhood with proximity to everything, this might be the perfect property for you. So don't hesitate to contact me. I'm Gustav at Skandimäklarna. Have a great day.